Yo, yo, yo. Hey, everyone. Welcome back to Miss Binary Trading. Thank you so much for watching my videos, leaving likes, and subscribing to the channel. I really appreciate all your support. I love reading your comments and answering your questions. So let's get started. Today, just like I promised, there won't be any complicated theory. We're simply going to open trades based on signals and look at the real results. Let's see how many trades end up profitable, how many don't, and how the signals perform today. As a reminder, I've been using vfxAlert signals for quite a long time. I test them regularly, keep track of the results, and use them in my own trading. But as always, I recommend using the signals as confirmation for your own strategy, not as the only reason to enter a trade. Honestly, I've gotten so used to trading with vfxAlert that I can hardly imagine trading without it anymore. It's really convenient to have that extra confirmation before opening a position. As always, you'll find all the links in the description below this video. I'll also leave my promo code there so you can get a discount on vfxAlert. By the way, vfxAlert also has an auto trading feature. You don't even have to open trades manually if you don't want to. Just set up your preferred parameters, launch the auto trader, and the bot will automatically place trades based on your selected settings. But today, I'm trading manually. Besides, it's incredibly easy here. You literally just click once and your trade is open. Today, I'm not using any trading strategy at all. I simply went to the vfxAlert website, checked the signal history, looked at how well the signals have been performing today, reviewed the statistics, and decided to simply copy the signals. All right, I'm opening my first trade. Now the second one. And here's the third. 3 trades are now open. All we have to do is wait for them to expire. All right, the first trade closed in profit. The second one is also a winner. Great, just one more to go. And the third trade also closes in profit. That's a really good start. Let's keep going and open a couple more trades. Here's the next one. And one more right after that. So within the last 5 minutes, we've already opened 5 trades. Now we wait again. All right, this trade also closes in profit. Nice, only one trade left. Looking at the chart, the price has suddenly reversed and started moving upward. I have a feeling this one might not finish in profit. Yep, that's exactly what happened. So out of 5 trades, 4 closed successfully and 1 ended in a loss. I'd say that's a pretty solid result. And that's where I'll wrap up my trading session for today. Honestly, I've been sitting at my computer for quite a while already, so I just wanted to show you a small part of my trading session. As always, you'll find all the useful links in the description below the video. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, leave a like if you enjoyed the video, and be sure to leave your questions in the comments. I really do read almost every comment, and I always try to reply personally. See you in the next video!